So what do we need? We have garlic. This is minced garlic. We have onions, bay leaves, pineapple. Over here, I mixed already pineapple juice, vinegar, and lemon in here. And then we have, for my decoration, I'm going to be using this yam. So we have also the garbanzo beans. So that would be for our decoration. And then we have black pepper. I would like to use the crushed red chili and soybean, blended soybean and sesame oil. And of course we needed soy sauce. Garlic salt mixture here. So I'm gonna put that over here. And then put a little soy sauce in. And I'm gonna put the mixture of our lemon, pineapple, and vinegar in here. So I really want to marinate this one ahead of time. I can just keep some of it. It's a little bit too much. And then we can just mix that one. Oh, if I forgot, I need to put some of this black pepper. Here's black pepper. I'll marinate this one for about 30 minutes, should be fine. If you want it longer, it's okay. I'm in a hurry because I want to cook this now. But if you have enough time. Alright, it's time for us to sear our, after 30 minutes that we marinated our ribs, we can then start searing it. So here we go. Right, let's turn it. So now we're gonna put garlic. We will also put our onions in here. And bay leaves. Ready. So you see, I can poke it just enough. Look. See that? But not smushy. So let's take it out. I'm going to take that out individually because I'm going to use it for our decoration. Not just decoration. We're going to eat it too. That's going to be our carbs. That'll serve us. Alright, let's check it out. It's been 25 minutes of simmering here. We still have the sauce. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. But before I'm gonna add, because I want it spicy, but alright, so it's plating time, you guys. So I will use my blue plate right now. And I am going to have a bed of garbanzo beans or chickpeas over here. That would absorb all the flavor if I'm going to put this adobo on top. Let's make it a little bit. I think I'm going to just make an L here. Let's put that adobo. Okay, looks so good. Let's put some green peppers in there, the jalapeno. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Let's put some red chili somewhere right there. Okay, perfect. Oh, you can see the sauce. The sauce is going to absorb. There you have it, everyone. Our final baby back rib adobo with a twist, decorated with yams, garbanzo beans, and chili peppers. I hope you had a great time cooking with me, and if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone, and thank you for watching.